RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, grounds the model in your real, trusted data for accurate, current, explainable answers. Goodbye, hallucination roulette.
Plain LLMs rely on training data only. They miss private docs and fresh updates, producing confident but wrong responses when stakes are real. Baseline RAG stores embeddings in a vector database, pulls the nearest chunks, and feeds them to the model. Useful, but relevance can be spotty. Azure AI Search blends keyword, vector, and semantic ranking to surface the right passages, not just the nearest ones, boosting precision consistently. Beyond vector similarity, you get semantic re-ranking, classic BM25 signals, filters, facets, synonyms, and fielded search, enterprise-grade relevance out of the box. Indexers and skills handle PDFs, websites, blobs, OCR, and enrichment. Freshness is maintained, and RBAC ensures retrieval respects permissions automatically. Rewrite the query, run hybrid retrieval in Azure AI Search, semantic re-rank, then ground the prompt. Return responses with citations every time. Better recall reduces retries and token waste. Hybrid retrieval stabilizes P95 latency and cuts cost per answer as usage ramps. Field-level controls, ACLs, and audit trails are native. You meet governance requirements without bolting on custom middleware later. Index everything into Azure AI Search, retrieve with hybrid plus semantic ranker, ground the prompt, and deliver answers with verifiable evidence. Vector only fits narrow prototypes. For heterogeneous corpora and real user queries, Azure's hybrid retrieval is more reliable in production. Azure AI Search plus disciplined prompting. Accurate, governed, and cost-efficient. Build once. Scale everywhere. Cognilium AI is your build partner. Data engineering, hybrid RAG on Azure AI Search, and production SRE.